Hi guys!
Hi guys!
So today we're making a little homemade volcano. So all you're gonna need is a red Solo cup, which is underneath all this Play-Doh, and then wrap it in Play-Doh. And I let it sit overnight to harden so it will stay like this. So now all we need is some baking soda. And then what color do you want, Caesar?
Green, blue, yellow, red.
I like green and blue.
Well, you can only pick one. Which one do you want?
Blue.
Okay. So I'm gonna add some food coloring to it. I'm just going to grab whatever from in here.
Whatever that is.
And then it's gonna turn.
What'd you put? What's this?
A red Solo cup.
Oh, you just cut it.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so now it's all blue inside.
All blue. That's cool.
Yep.
Now what?
Now we're gonna add some vinegar.
Vinegar. Is this gonna explode?
Yeah, it's gonna explode.
What?
Are you guys ready?
Can I move it a little bit?
Yeah. You guys ready? Ready, Alexander?
Yeah. Yeah.
Whoa, is that cool?
Want to do it again?
Okay.
Is that cool?
Is that
Smells like vinegar.
cool? Yeah, it's because it's vinegar.
Was that fun?
And there's steam.
Yeah.
Fizzy, it's fizzy.
Because vinegar is made of steam.
That was so cool.
Yep. So these are very easy experiments you guys can do at home because I'm sure everyone has Play-Doh.
Right?
I'll take them
Yeah.
downstairs.
Yep.
Right?
Or,
Say bye.
or you can
Say
make
bye,
hair
Caesar.
out.
Say bye, Susan.
Bye-bye!